Good morning, college and tutor. My name is Ivan Rojas. This unit is Identify Technological Value. This activity is presented to the tutor Carla Natalia Triana today, October 25. I determine the following consequence. The first consequence is that do not allow identification of possible licenses. The second is that the final cost of the product or service is not measured. It is possible the more resources are invested the necessary to knowing the market. I found the following causes. One of the causes may be development of incipient or embryonic technology. Another cause is of broad study and analysis of the market. My recommendation for the company are the following. It is important that the company has full knowledge of the marketing channels. That is why the experience of the area in charge must be strengthened. Where it can be identified if a channel use this long or short, direct or indirect, in order to know traceability who will have the product and estimate the cost when it reaches the end consumer. The company must market personal, suitable, technological, and competitive surveillance in order to obtain comprehensive evaluations of the technology and also its respective valuation. Thanks for this purpose, information on income, production and distribution cost, profitability rate, it requires royalty fees and so on. Thank you.